Good day, football fans. Pelo Dlamini here with the latest football update. Orlando Pirates takes on Amazulu FC at 7:30 at the iconic Moses Mabhida Stadium. It's second versus fourth. Amazulu FC are really gunning for the Betway Premiership title with 30 points, while Orlando Pirates is second on the log with 32 points, equal on point with Mamelodi Sundowns, who are on top on goal difference. Will Orlando Pirates today sleep being table toppers, or will Amazulu FC cause an upset of the season? Just watch the match today, the 3rd of February at 7:30. The Betway Premiership is heating up, and I can't wait to see who takes this one home. Will Orlando Pirates win against Amazulu FC, or will Amazulu FC cause the upset of the season? Just watch the game and follow me on TikTok and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share your thoughts on the game.